In recent years, artificial intelligence has transcended into various aspects of daily life, embedding itself proudly into what were once humble objects, such as tablets. These tablets, often flaunted in lavish commercials, hint at capabilities beyond simple browsing or gaming. But what happens when these devices become more than just passive tools, acquiring cognitive capabilities that parallel human thought? To grasp the potential of AI in tablets, it's essential to understand their core functionalities. Traditionally, tablets allowed for applications and functions that were limited by the user's input. Play a game, write a note, browse the web. Each action was mechanistic, awaiting your command. Enter AI, where tablets gain a semblance of autonomy, performing tasks with an intuitive grasp of user habits and needs. Consider how AI personal assistants, like Siri or Google Assistant, have already transformed how we interact with technology. These are more than voice-activated tools. They're constantly learning from user interactions, adapting to our preferences, and even predicting our needs before we express them. This degree of cognitive function is a mesmerizing lens into the future. A tablet with AI doesn't just execute tasks. It anticipates them, evolving into a thoughtful companion rather than a digital notepad. Moreover, with AI capabilities, tablets can harness natural language processing to understand and respond to complex inquiries instantly. This means, for instance, a student could receive real-time feedback on their research or translations into numerous languages with high accuracy. The implications for educational domains are profound, providing an interactive and immersive learning experience. In professional environments, AI-driven tablets redefine productivity. Imagine an architect sketching designs on a tablet that suggests structural improvements or alternative aesthetic designs before the architect even asks. The fusion of imaginative human creativity with machine precision can elevate projects in any industry to new heights. Security, an ever-pressing concern, also stands to benefit. Through AI, tablets can identify unusual patterns indicating unauthorized access attempts, ensuring that personal and professional information remains secure. The integration of biometric verifications combined with AI's cognitive ability to detect anomalies improves trustworthiness enormously, granting users peace of mind. But the march towards AI-infused tablets is not without its challenges. Privacy concerns loom as AI learns from every interaction, prompting crucial debates over data security and ethical use. Manufacturers must balance innovation with responsibility, ensuring these devices remain safe extensions of human capability. Additionally, concerns regarding dependency and the erosion of critical thinking often surface. If a tablet anticipates every need, what's the incentive for a user to employ their problem-solving skills? Ultimately, as tablets evolve into entities with cognitive capabilities, they offer a glimpse into a future buoyed by convenience, efficiency, and enhanced interaction. While recognizing potential pitfalls, the current trajectory indicates a future where all manner of tasks are not just executed by technology, but understood, where technology plays a seamless role in our daily tapestry. In this rapidly advancing landscape, embracing AI's potential with mindfulness and ethical consideration will forge a world that cleverly interweaves human intellect with artificial acumen. Such a world will not just change how we use tablets, but prompt us to reimagine our entire interaction with technology itself.